And on the movers and levels?
Okay, a couple of household names in the pre-market movers this morning. First of all, Hertz, one of the world's best-known car rental businesses, $29.01 pre-market, up 11.96%. Basically, they've been through the wars recently, having to represent most of their financial statements for the last 2 or 3 years, but they've finally got through that now. They can confirm, or have confirmed, that they will be spinning off their equipment rental business, and that's on track, and they reaffirmed their $1 billion share buyback. So all of those things in
happy news.
Yes, and they're up a short 12% their pre-market. And then Google, ticker GOOG in the US, $642.73, up a whopping 10.8%. After the close last night. Earnings beat by 28 cents. Revenues were light, but in the conference call with the CEO, dividends and share buybacks were not discounted, and she's conducting a wholesale review of the business and where they spend their money. So the market liked what it heard, and as I say, they're up over 10%. In terms of levels to watch today, not much action really as far as European equities are concerned. As I said, a bit of a pullback for the FTSE and for the DAX. So we're looking at 6750 on the downside in the FTSE, and 6800 to the upside in the FTSE. I think 67.99 was the high so far today. So
you called it quite well.
It's not difficult to pick a round number, is it? And in the DAX, 11,665 is the downside level to watch. Plays 11,770. S&P, we're going with 2110 on the downside, plays 2125 to the upside, and for the Dow, 18,110 on the downside, plays 18,145 on the upside. Quite a tight range there for a change in the Dow. Euro dollar, that 108.60 level from March is still hanging in there on the downside. 108.97 is the level that we'd need to see broken to move higher. Aussie dollar, US dollar, 73.50 stays there on the downside, plays 74.11 to the upside. In dollar yen, we're still there at 123.75, plays 124.20 to the upside, and in cable, 156.06 to the downside, plays 156.70 for the upside.
Right. Well, that's all rather sort of not so volatile anymore. Quite tight end of week type of ranges. Okay, well, we'll see how, if next week is much more volatile. Darren Sinden, market commentator at Admiral Markets, thanks for coming in today, and we'll resume hostilities or friendly talk on Monday. That's it for now.